Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do diameter of a binary tree. Earlier we did depth of a binary tree. Okay. Today we are going to do this diameter of a binary tree. So let's understand the question first, then we will move to the approach. So we have been given a root of a binary tree and we have to return the length of the diameter of the tree. Now what is the diameter? So it's the length of the longest path between any two nodes in a tree. This path may or may not pass through the root node. Okay, the length of a path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. Okay, so it will be represented by the number of edges. So for this example, as we can see, this is the longest path and either this can be or this can be, like 3, 1, 2, 5 or 4, 2, 1, 3. Both have 3 edges. So 3 we have to return. Okay. So let's understand how we can approach this question. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4. We can have one 5 over here and we can have one 3 over here. So this is one example. Now for diameter, we have been told that the diameter is the longest path. So the path may pass through the root node or may not pass. Now let me show you one example only. For example, if this is the case, then the diameter will become 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's add one more. Now if you will see, this is the longest diameter or this is the longest path. This is the diameter of the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will be the diameter of the tree. Okay. How we will approach this question? This is going to be a very simple recursive call. Okay. So what we will do, let me create the tree again. Okay. So this is our tree. Now what we will do, we will calculate the depth of the left subtree and the right subtree. Okay, so with the help of left depth and right depth, if we will add this, we will get the maximum longest path from the root node. Okay. So this will be the longest path from the root node. This will be the diameter, we can say, from the root node. Okay. Now we also know that the longest path may or may not pass from the root node. So for example, if the longest path is passing from here, something like this, then what we will do? So for that, what we will calculate the left diameter of the tree and right diameter of the tree. So as we are calculating over here the diameter of the root node, we will calculate the left diameter of all the left and right subtree. And then we will return maximum of. Okay, so here we have got the diameter, so diameter root I'll say. Okay, and again maximum of left diameter and right diameter. So the maximum of all three, like 1, 2 and 3. So whichever will be the maximum, we will return that, and that will be the diameter of our binary tree. Okay. So let's try to understand how we can code this. Okay, so we are on our coding screen now. The first condition for a binary tree, whenever we do any question of binary tree, the first condition will be if the root is null, what we will return? We will return 0. This is the first condition. Okay. Now what we will do? We will calculate the left diameter. Okay. In the left diameter, it's a recursive call. So what we will do, root dot left. Okay. Now right diameter. Similarly, we'll call it for root dot right. Now we have the left diameter, now we have the right diameter. Now what I will do, I'll calculate the depth of the tree from the root node. So for that what we will do, we'll create one depth method. Okay, so let's call it height. So height of root dot left. We are going to write the code for this height method, and we will call height dot right, root dot right. Okay, and we'll add them. Now we have 3 parameters and we have to return maximum of 3. We'll do math dot max of depth, comma math dot max of left diameter, comma right diameter. Okay, now we'll write the code logic for height. So this is the same as we calculated for depth. Okay, so how we calculated the depth? Simple. If tree double equal to null. If it's not the case, then what we will return? We will return 1 plus math dot max of, and this is the tree dot left, comma height tree dot right. So this is the simple. So this method will help us in calculating the depth from passing from the root node, and these two calls will be helping us in calculating the diameter when the maximum diameter of the longest path will not pass from the root node. Okay, let's try to run this code if we have any compile time errors. Yes, we have one compile time error. So it's saying at line number 30 we are having some null pointer exception. Tree dot if tree node tree double equal to null, the return type is missing here. Return 0. Okay. When tree is null, the height will be 0, correct? That's what we missed over here. Now it's working. Let's try to submit this code. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, comment below on the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.